In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subitems in Monday.com. This is a great way to break down tasks into smaller, more manageable steps, and it can be incredibly helpful for keeping your projects organized. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to Monday.com. Once there, you'll see a clean and intuitive interface designed to simplify your workflow management process. To get started, click on the Login button, typically located at the upper right corner of the screen. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to select your preferred login method. Choose the option to log in with your Google account. You'll need to click on Google and then choose your associated Google account from the list. If you're not already logged into Google, you might be asked to enter your credentials here. Once you've logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Here, you want to navigate to your specific board where you plan to add subitems. So click on the board you wish to work on. Boards in Monday.com are essentially the hub for storing your project data, and they present information in a table-like format, which makes it easy to visualize different tasks and responsibilities. With your board open, find the item in the table to which you want to add subitems. Hover over that item, and you should spot a drop-down arrow beside it. Clicking this drop-down reveals a variety of options related to that particular item. This area is where Monday.com truly shines, offering flexibility to tailor your project management system to fit your needs. Now, within this drop-down menu, you'll find the option to add subitem. Simply click on it. This action will create a nested item under the main item you selected. Subitems function like regular items, but are visually nested underneath the primary task, letting you break things down without cluttering your main board. Adding subitems is straightforward. You just type in the details relevant to each subtask, and they become part of your workflow. You can add as many subitems as you need. It's a great way to keep track of smaller tasks that contribute to the completion of a larger task, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added subitems to your project board in Monday.com. This small step can greatly enhance how you manage your tasks, providing more flexibility and clarity for you and your team. Thanks for joining me in this step-by-step guide. If you found it helpful, make sure to check out more tips and tricks for optimizing your project management processes with Monday.com. Happy organizing!